सायबर क्राईम पोलिसेन मोठी कामगिरी करताना ऑक्टोबर महिन्यात आरबीएल बँकेच्या एटीएमांनी टेम्परिंग करून कितल्याशाच जाणांक तोपी घालपी सायबर फ्रॉडस्टर मुबारीक मोहम्मदाक हरियाणा मेवाटांतल्यान थळाव्या पुलिसेच्या आदारान उखल्लो. ताका जंय धरला तो वाठार सायबर फ्रॉडस्टरांचो वाठार म्हूण फामाद. पुलिसांनी सगळे पुरावे एकठांय करून सांपळो रचून ताका धरलो. फाटल्या ऑक्टोबरात गोयच्या आरबीएल एटीएमांनी जाणी पयशे काडिल्ले तांच्या अकाउंटांतल्यान पयशे गायब जावपाक लागल्यात म्हूण कागाळी आयिल्ल्यो. ती केस लावन धरतना बाकीच्या कडच्याय केसींचो अभ्यास करून सायबर क्राईम पुलीस मुबारिका मेरेन पावले.
We were able to identify two criminals from Mewat. Now, after identification, the team went to catch the accused in the month of January, and they stayed there for some 7 days. So our cybercrime police inspector Devendra Pingle and his team, they camped there for 7 days, but they could not catch the accused because they would not leave out of their village, and it was virtually impossible for an out-of-state police to carry such a massive operation by taking 7 to 8 police escorts there. We came up with a different strategy. What we did was, over a period of 1 month, we analyzed his entire movement as to when he comes out of the village, because as I told you, it was difficult to catch him from his house. So we identified a particular pattern in which he was expected to come out of his village in this week, and accordingly on 20th of this month, again the same team went to Mewat, and they camped there again for some 2-3 days, waited for him to come out of the village, and the moment he came out, we were able to catch him.
एटीएम टेम्परिंगांतल्यान ताणे काडिल्ले आणि ताचे कडच्या अकाउंटांत दवरिल्ले 9 लाख रुपया फ्रीज केल्यात. कोणाचेय सायबर फ्रॉडांतल्यान पयशे गेले जाल्यार तांणी 1930 ह्या टोल फ्री नंबराचेर सोमतोच कॉल करचो. गेल्ले पयशे फ्रीज करूंक मेळटा. पुलिसांनी आतां मेरेन वेगवेगळ्या सायबर केसींनी लुटिल्ले 25 लाख रुपया लोकांक परत मेळोवन दिला.
If anybody is a victim of cyber crime, they should immediately call on that number 1930. The important thing here is that they should do it immediately, because what happens when the details are furnished to our helpline number, automatically that is communicated to the banks. So money from one banking channel to other banking intermediary, if reported in time, that will be freeze. In Goa alone, we have been able to freeze around 25 lakhs of rupees. In certain cases, we have been able to identify the accused. In certain cases, the case is under investigation. We have not been able to identify the accused so far. But the important thing is that the money has been secured. Okay. So the money which was lost, that has been frozen in the banking channel, which will ultimately be returned to the complainant. In our experience, financial frauds, mostly we have accused which are out of state. And maybe in certain cases we have also caught accused of foreign nationality. So far financial fraud, I think only couple of cases in which we have had local accused.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.